Ever found yourself at a crossroad, teetering between choices that could fundamentally shape your destiny? It's high time to unlock that dormant power within you, to confidently commandeer those pivotal moments of life. Welcome to our complimentary webinar, Mastering Life's Crossroads, a transformative voyage that will equip you with the tools to chart the course towards your dreams. This exhilarating webinar promises a treasure trove of invaluable insights, practical apparatus, and expert counsel, empowering you to confidently steer through life's most daunting decisions. Be it a pivotal career change, a significant life transition, or a personal ambition you're striving for, you'll uncover the secrets to tapping into your potential and making decisions that resonate with your goals. No longer let uncertainty and indecision act as shackles. This is your golden ticket to seize your destiny and sculpt the life you've always envisioned. Visualize a future where you're not riddled with doubt over your decisions, but stride ahead with clarity and conviction. This future is not a distant dream but within arm's reach, and it all commences with a single click. Secure your complimentary slot now, and together, we'll embark on this transformative journey. Become a part of our vibrant community of decision makers, and collectively, we'll conquer life's crossroads, one empowered decision at a time. The time for your metamorphosis is now. In this video, we've laid out the benefits of attending our webinar, Mastering Life's Crossroads. We've highlighted how it will equip you with invaluable insights, practical tools, and expert guidance to confidently navigate life's pivotal moments. We've also emphasized the power of our community of decision makers and the transformation that awaits you. Remember, your future of clarity and conviction is just a click away. So why wait? Your transformation begins now.